This is a edited video clip of manual small incision cataract surgery SICS. 6 mm scleral tunnel is already created, but AC is not entered. Capsular axis is already done with 26 gauge needle through separate side port. Inferior lateral 20 gauge incision is there for AC maintenance. Then onwards. With 2.8 mm keratome, AC is entered through scleral tunnel. This is apparently a good incision, but let us replay it in slow motion. For very critical eye, the fault will be seen. Now let us freeze it. 2 red and 1 yellow arrow indicates inside incision. It is extending towards the sclera. Incision should go along blue dotted line so that wound will be stable and without disturbing the corneal curvature. 2.8 mm incision is not extended at this point. It will be extended only after nucleus is in AC. AC maintainer is fixed and irrigation is on. Through side port with hook, the nucleus will be brought in AC. Nucleus being big, brown and brunescent, it refuses to slip in front of CCC border and iris. It just slips behind. Here, help of rotating assistant is taken. When nucleus is just slip in front of the pupillary border, rotating assistant pinches the irrigating line of AC maintainer. Because AC pressure is low, vitreous pressure keeps the nucleus stay put without slipping backward. Through main wound, nucleus is negotiated in AC. Once I am sure that it will not slip behind, I will ask to open the irrigation line. So, nucleus is now in AC. Now I know how big and firm the nucleus is. Accordingly, I can decide the length of the incision. I prefer crescent blade as pointed keratome may accidentally create double entry. Still irrigation is on. Visco behind the nucleus and Vectis will assist nucleus while assistant is injecting visco through AC maintainer under surgeon's instructions. Here, because of nucleus and incision mismatch, nucleus cracked in wound. Doesn't matter. Little more than half of the nucleus is in AC. It is repositioned in AC and with visco pressure and Vectis assist, it is brought out. Now again, visco AC maintainer is replaced by irrigation line. The remaining cortex is aspirated with AC maintainer on. Foldable IOL is injected. I prefer to take one 10-0 nylon suture as it doesn't allow conjunctiva to retract.